Have you ever wanted to pick up a book from the York County Library, but just don't have the time to stop by during library hours? The new YCL Locker pickup option is available 24/7, 365 at all YCL branches. To place a hold for pickup in the lockers, first, find the book you'd like to read on the SC Lens catalog, place the hold, and use your normal library card number. When you get to the hold details page, you'll select your pickup location. To choose the lockers, find your branch and select the option below that reads YCL, branch name, lockers. Then you can select your notification option for picking up your book. When you receive that notification, you can head to the lockers at your selected branch. You'll need to scan your library card, select the items on your account for pickup, and press Checkout. The locker with your books will automatically open. Remove your holds and select Done. Then you can have an email receipt sent to you. And now you have your next read.